Hello widget watchers, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into one of the most useful package in Flutter, URL Launcher. This package allows you to open URLs, make phone calls, send emails and more, all from within your Flutter app. Mastering URL Launcher will enhance your app's functionality and user experience. So let's get started. First thing first, let's install URL Launcher package. Open your pubspec.yaml file and add URL Launcher to your dependencies. After adding the dependencies, tap on the pubget option to install the package. Now that we have URL Launcher installed, let's look at some basic usage example. We will start with opening a simple URL in web browser. So come to the main.dart file and from here remove all the comments in this my homepage class. And then create a new stateless widget called home screen. This widget will be our main screen where we will add a button to open a URL. Inside the home screen widget, we will define a URL that we want to open. In this case, we are using the Flutter website's URL. Next, we will create a function called launch URL. This function will check if the URL can be launched and then open the URL. In the launch URL function, we are using the canLaunchURL method to check if the URL can be launched. If it can be launched, we are using the launchURL method to open the URL. If the URL cannot be launched, we are throwing an error. Now come to the build method and here add the scaffold widget, and inside the scaffold widget add an app bar with the title of URL Launcher example. Then add a center widget with an elevated button as a child. Then for onPressed callback, add the launch URL method, and for the child, add a text widget with the text open Flutter website. Now let's test the code. So save the file and run the app. When the app loads, you will see a button with the text open Flutter website. When you tap on the button, the Flutter website will open in the web browser. So this is the first part of the URL Launcher package. Now let's also open a phone call, send an email, and open a map using the URL Launcher package. So let's move to the next part of the code. Now let's add the functionality to make a phone call using the URL Launcher package. To do this, create a new variable called phone number and assign a phone number to it. Be sure to include this tel prefix before the phone number because this is the standard prefix for phone numbers in URLs. Now create a function called makePhoneCall. And inside this function do the same thing as we did in the launch URL function. First check if the phone call can be made using the canLaunch method and then make the phone call using the launch method. Next, let's add the functionality to send an email using the URL Launcher package. To do this, create a new variable called email URL and assign an email URL to it. Be sure to include the mail to prefix before the email address because like phone numbers, this is the standard prefix for email address in URLs. Also, you can add a subject and body to the email by adding the subject and body parameters to the email URL. In this case, we are adding a subject of hello and a body of hi there. Now create a function called sendEmail and inside this function, do the same thing as we did on the makePhoneCall function. First check if the email can be sent using the canLaunch method and then send the email using the launch method. Finally, let's add the functionality to open a map using the URL Launcher package. To do this, create a new variable called mapURL and assign a map URL to it. Be sure to include the geo prefix before the latitude and longitude of the location you want to open. You can also specify the zoom level by adding the Z parameter to the URL. In this case, we are opening this latitude and this longitude and a zoom level of 10. Now create a function called openMap and inside this function do the same thing as we did on the sendEmail function. First check if the map can be opened using the canLaunch method and then open the map using the launch method. Now here I cannot test the phone call and email functionality because I'm using an simulator, but you can test these functionalities on a real device. So this is how you can use the URL Launcher package to open URLs, make phone calls, send emails and open maps in your Flutter app. I hope you found this video helpful and if you did, please give it a thumbs up And if you have any questions or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.